Welcome to our deep dive into soft deletes in Spring Data JPA and Hibernate. As backend applications evolve, the need for robust data management grows. Soft deletes are a modern solution, allowing records to be marked as deleted without actually removing them from the database. This approach supports auditing, compliance, and data retention requirements. In this video, we'll explore why soft deletes matter, how they're implemented, and what interviewers expect from both freshers and senior developers in 2026. Let's begin by understanding the basics and setting the stage for the top interview questions you'll face. Soft deletes have become essential in enterprise systems. Instead of permanently deleting data, soft deletes mark records as inactive or deleted, preserving them for future reference. This is crucial for compliance, auditing, and restoring mistakenly deleted data. Companies now expect developers to understand the rationale behind soft deletes, especially as regulations and business needs evolve. In interviews, explaining the business value of soft deletes can set you apart from other candidates. Let's look at how this concept fits into modern backend development. Spring Data JPA is a powerful framework for managing relational data in Java applications. It simplifies database operations and integrates seamlessly with Hibernate. Understanding how Spring Data JPA works is fundamental before diving into soft deletes. The framework provides repositories, query methods, and entity management, making it easier to implement advanced features like soft deletes. Interviewers often ask about your experience with Spring Data JPA, so be prepared to discuss its core functionalities and how it supports enterprise data needs. Hibernate is the default JPA implementation in most Spring Boot projects. It offers advanced ORM capabilities, allowing developers to map Java objects to database tables. Soft deletes are often implemented using Hibernate-specific features, such as annotations and filters. Understanding Hibernate's role in Spring Data JPA is key for interview success. You'll need to explain how Hibernate handles entity states, lifecycle events, and custom queries, especially when soft deletes are involved. Soft delete is a technique where a record is not physically removed from the database. Instead, a flag or status column is updated to indicate that the record is deleted. This allows the data to remain accessible for auditing, recovery, or compliance purposes. In interviews, you should be able to define soft deletes clearly and explain their advantages over hard deletes. Interviewers may ask for examples or scenarios where soft deletes are preferable. Hard deletes remove records permanently from the database, making them unrecoverable. Soft deletes, on the other hand, simply mark records as deleted, allowing them to be restored if needed. Understanding the difference is crucial for backend developers. Interviewers often ask about the pros and cons of each approach and when to use soft deletes in real-world applications. Be ready to discuss scenarios where data recovery, compliance, or auditing are important. There are several common patterns for implementing soft deletes. The most popular is adding a Boolean or status column, such as is deleted or deleted at, to your entity. This column is updated when a delete operation is performed. Other patterns include using global filters or custom queries to exclude deleted records from results. Interviewers may ask you to describe these patterns and their trade-offs, so understanding their implementation is key. Yet SQL delete annotation in Hibernate allows you to customize the SQL executed when an entity is deleted. Instead of removing the record, you can update a flag or status column. This is a powerful way to implement soft deletes, ensuring that the data remains in the database. Interviewers may ask you to explain how an SQL delete works and provide code examples. Understanding this annotation is essential for senior developer roles. Yet where annotation is used to filter entities at the database level. By adding a where to your entity, you can automatically exclude soft-deleted records from queries. This simplifies code and ensures that only active records are returned. Interviewers often ask about the benefits of using it where and how it integrates with soft delete patterns. Be prepared to discuss its usage and advantages. Global filters are another approach to soft deletes. By configuring filters at the session or entity manager level, you can exclude deleted records from all queries. This is useful for large applications with multiple entities. Interviewers may ask about the pros and cons of global filters and how they compare to annotations like at where. Understanding filter configuration and its impact on performance is important. Soft deletes can impact database performance, especially as data grows. Filtering out deleted records adds overhead to queries, and indexing strategies may need adjustment. Interviewers often ask how you optimize performance when using soft deletes. Be ready to discuss indexing, query optimization, and strategies for handling large datasets. Demonstrating awareness of performance issues shows real-world experience. Soft deletes are often required for auditing and compliance. Regulations may mandate that deleted records be retained for a certain period. Interviewers may ask how you implement auditing with soft deletes, including tracking who deleted a record and when. Be prepared to discuss audit columns, logging strategies, and compliance requirements. This is especially relevant for enterprise and regulated industries. Handling soft deletes in entities with relationships can be tricky. For example, deleting a parent entity may require updating child entities or handling orphan records. Interviewers often ask about edge cases, such as cascading deletes, orphan removal, and referential integrity. Be ready to discuss strategies for managing relationships and ensuring data consistency when soft deletes are involved. One of the advantages of soft deletes is the ability to restore deleted records. Interviewers may ask how you implement record restoration, including updating status columns and handling related data. Be prepared to discuss restoration workflows, user permissions, and scenarios where restoring data is necessary. This demonstrates your understanding of real-world business needs. Testing is crucial for soft delete implementations. Interviewers may ask how you test soft delete logic, including unit tests, integration tests, and edge cases. Be ready to discuss test strategies, mocking frameworks, and ensuring that deleted records are properly excluded from queries. This shows your commitment to quality and reliability. A common interview question is, how do you implement soft deletes in Spring Data JPA? Be ready to describe the process, including entity annotations, repository methods, and query filters. Providing code examples and explaining your approach will impress interviewers. Focus on clarity, maintainability, and real-world applicability. Interviewers may ask, how do you optimize queries when using soft deletes? Discuss indexing strategies, query tuning, and avoiding unnecessary overhead. Mention how you monitor performance and adjust filters as data grows. This shows your ability to handle production-level challenges. Edge cases are a favorite topic in interviews. You may be asked about handling soft deletes in entities with complex relationships, such as many-to-many or one-to-many. Discuss strategies for maintaining data integrity, handling orphan records, and ensuring that deleted entities don't affect active data. This demonstrates your depth of knowledge. Auditing is critical in enterprise systems. Interviewers may ask, how do you audit soft deletes? Discuss tracking who deleted a record when it was deleted and why. Mention audit columns, logging frameworks, and compliance requirements. This shows your understanding of business and regulatory needs. Restoring deleted records is a common requirement. Interviewers may ask, how do you restore soft deleted records? Discuss updating status columns, handling related entities, and ensuring data consistency. Mention user permissions and business scenarios where restoration is needed. This demonstrates practical experience. Testing soft delete logic is essential. Interviewers may ask, how do you test soft deletes? Discuss unit tests, integration tests, and edge cases. Mention mocking frameworks and strategies for ensuring deleted records are excluded from queries. This shows your commitment to quality. Compliance is a major concern in many industries. Interviewers may ask, how do you ensure compliance with soft deletes? Discuss retention policies, audit trails, and regulatory requirements. Mention how you implement compliance features in your code and database design. Interviewers may ask for real-world examples of soft deletes. Discuss scenarios such as user account deactivation, product removal, or order cancellation. Explain how soft deletes support business needs, auditing, and data recovery. Providing practical examples shows your experience. Trade-offs are important in software design. Interviewers may ask, what are the trade-offs of using soft deletes? Discuss performance, complexity, and data retention. Mention scenarios where hard deletes may be preferable. This shows your ability to make informed decisions. Security is a concern with soft deletes. Interviewers may ask, how do you secure soft deleted data? Discuss access controls, encryption, and user permissions. Mention how you prevent unauthorized access to deleted records. This demonstrates your awareness of security best practices. Migrating from hard deletes to soft deletes can be challenging. Interviewers may ask, how do you migrate existing data? Discuss updating schema, adding status columns, and handling legacy records. Mention strategies for minimizing downtime and ensuring data integrity. Multi-tenancy adds complexity to soft deletes. Interviewers may ask, how do you handle soft deletes in multi-tenant systems? Discuss tenant isolation, global filters, and ensuring that deleted records are properly segregated. Mention strategies for maintaining performance and security. Bulk operations can complicate soft deletes. Interviewers may ask, how do you handle bulk deletes? Discuss batch updates, transaction management, and ensuring consistency. Mention performance considerations and strategies for handling large datasets. Reporting is affected by soft deletes. Interviewers may ask, how do you handle reporting with soft deleted records? Discuss filtering strategies, audit reports, and ensuring accurate data. Mention how you design reports to include or exclude deleted records as needed. API design is important for soft deletes. Interviewers may ask, how do you design APIs for soft delete operations? Discuss endpoint nomming, status codes, and response formats. Mention how you handle restoration, auditing, and compliance through your APIs. User experience matters when implementing soft deletes. Interviewers may ask, how do you ensure a good user experience? Discuss UI feedback, restoration options, and clear messaging. Mention how you handle deleted records in user interfaces and provide recovery options. Data consistency is crucial in soft delete implementations. Interviewers may ask, how do you ensure consistency? Discuss transaction management, referential integrity, and handling related entities. Mention strategies for preventing data anomalies and ensuring reliable operations. Versioning can be important for soft deletes. Interviewers may ask, how do you handle versioning? Discuss tracking changes, audit trails, and restoring previous versions. Mention how you implement version control in your entities and database. Data retention policies affect soft deletes. Interviewers may ask, how do you implement retention policies? Discuss automatic purging, scheduled tasks, and compliance requirements. Mention how you balance retention with performance and storage needs. Monitoring is important for soft deletes. Interviewers may ask, how do you monitor soft delete operations? Discuss logging, alerting, and tracking deletion events. Mention how you use monitoring tools to ensure reliability and compliance. Documentation is essential for soft delete implementations. Interviewers may ask, how do you document soft delete logic? Discuss code comments, API documentation, and user guides. Mention how you ensure that your team understands the implementation and its trade-offs. Collaboration is key in large projects. Interviewers may ask, how do you collaborate on soft delete implementations? Discuss code reviews, team communication, and shared standards. Mention how you ensure consistency and quality across the team. Maintenance is important for long-term success. Interviewers may ask, how do you maintain soft delete logic? Discuss refactoring, bug fixes, and adapting to changing requirements. Mention how you ensure reliability and scalability over time. Production issues can arise with soft deletes. Interviewers may ask, how do you handle production problems? Discuss troubleshooting, rollback strategies, and monitoring. Mention how you ensure minimal downtime and quick recovery. Future trends affect soft delete implementations. Interviewers may ask, what are the future trends in soft deletes? Discuss evolving regulations, new frameworks, and best practices. Mention how you stay updated and adapt to changes in technology and business needs. Clean design is valued in interviews. Interviewers may ask, how do you ensure clean design with soft deletes? Discuss separation of concerns, modular code, and maintainability. Mention how you avoid code duplication and ensure clarity. Production-level knowledge is key for senior roles. Interviewers may ask, how do you demonstrate production-level expertise? Discuss real-world challenges, performance optimization, and reliability. Mention how you handle edge cases and ensure robust implementations. Clean design thinking is expected in interviews. Interviewers may ask, how do you apply clean design thinking to soft deletes? Discuss design patterns, code structure, and maintainability. Mention how you ensure scalability and adaptability. In summary, mastering soft deletes in Spring Data JPA and Hibernate is essential for both freshers and senior developers. Understanding implementation, optimization, auditing, and edge cases will help you stand out in interviews. Stay updated with best practices, focus on clean design, and demonstrate production-level knowledge. By preparing for these interview questions, you'll be ready to showcase your expertise and secure your next backend role. As you prepare for Spring Data JPA and Hibernate interviews, focus on understanding soft deletes from both a technical and business perspective. Practice answering common questions, review code examples, and stay informed about industry trends. With these skills, you'll be ready to impress recruiters, tech leads, and architects in 2026 and beyond. Good luck on your interview journey.